Hadien ke jingwan ke seng hinyo trap National Liberation Council syaka jingkran bat ke Sorkar ban dawaru ban map iki mukotduma jang gid khot ke seng nakaliang jong mintrang ba ke jalau Conrad ke sangma wala pemra pai ba ya katei kamat nakaliang ke Sorkar jalau bat kumjuru nakaliang jong tanat kampoi ke Sorkar India kadang khmih bniah ha katei ke benta habekran bat kilat thai khubor ul ong ban nakaliang jong Sorkar kin sathau kilat kilenti nakabenta ban penbej ya ketika kam namar baka Sorkar jela kasim kya nakabenta ban penya chaprang ya ketika kam.
We are examining, as I said, it's not just a state government. You have to realize that it's a discussion with MHA also involved in it. So we have to take them into consideration. But as I said, what is important is that we are going into this with a very, very open mind. We are going into this to find a solution to it. We are all in that mindset that we should find a solution to it. And whatever is within the constitutional provisions and whatever is possible within the frameworks that are there, we will definitely examine all possibility to see how much we can accommodate. But as I said, obviously there are concerns, there are constraints, there will be challenges. But let me be very clear, from the Meghalaya government side, we are very determined to move forward in this. We are taking all possible steps, and whatever concerns are there, we will do our best to address those concerns along with the HNLC and the Government of India, the MHA.